new vlog. Manure, but I don't have my spade, which I wouldn't use, but I don't have my fork because that's at home. I don't have my rake, but I'm going to improvise and use that and some gloves and hope for the best. So here we go. There you are. If you're lacking in a fork and you need manure, that and that will do. So good stuff. I'm going to start the no dig bed now, so come on over. So the cardboard's under all this wood, just to sort of stop it from blowing away. So I need to get the sellotape off this one, which with it, because it's slightly damp, it's actually going to make it a lot easier. I remember one of you saying that ages ago, and it's such a top tip. So I don't know, let me see if you can see this strip here. I'm going to lay with cardboard. This is why I love no dig. Look at that grass. We're just going to cover it, and that's a path, but I'm going to cover that with. That might not work, but I mean, rather than raise the slabs, I'm going to experiment and see if that works. Overside. Hiya, you alright? Yeah. Get all this cardboard. Hope I've got enough, but I do have more in the shed, so it's not the end of the world. And this cardboard is nice and soft. In fact, Charles Dowding says always water your cardboard before you put any of the mulch, whether it's compost or horse manure or whatever. But some of this is actually quite damp already. Ugh. In fact, that might be quite a good idea to double over, because you mustn't have gaps, otherwise they all come through, the persistent weeds. God, I might just have enough, you know. Might not have enough manure, I might have to get more. Another wheelbarrow once I've spread that lot on. I think maybe that'll be perfect. Yeah. Holes. Cover up any gaps. Okay, let's get some of this compost on. Oh, I forgot this one. Oh, good. That's right, let's get this on, and I'll probably have to go and get another one, I reckon. I'm going to go backwards because it's got a bit of a flat tyre. Oh, it's pungent. Right. Let's get one more wheelbarrow and then right, see you in a bit. Oh, fabulous. Let's put that over there. Oh. 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 I think that's plenty. Oh. Oh. Right. Well, I'm improvising again because I haven't got the what do you call it? My rake. Ooh. Just going to let it sit here and rot down. In fact, I need a path there, so I mustn't go over that. That's fine, that's good. And create a path there as well. Oh. Wow, it's actually really close. That freshness is gone. Oh, that's a shame. I mean, at least it will weigh it down until if I really need more wood chip. I don't know if I've got enough there. Not for all of these, but this will make a great bed for, I don't know, for next year anyway. Definitely for next year. It'll be perfect. I'm actually really pleased with that. That's slightly extending my no dig beds. Really good. I could plant a row of what do you call them? Oh, my brain. A really nice row of sunflowers next year here, or anything like that. Oh. Sweet corn in twos, but I like sweet corn in a square actually. Yeah, definitely a lot of sunflowers there because it's quite nice to have a wall of something growing there. So really, I had collected quite a lot of this and I did want to really put it there, so I'll see if I can, how much I can spare. I'm not entirely sure, but you see what I'm kind of trying to do, extend the wood chip. I did leave quite a lot on here with this in mind, because it goes, when you get wood chip, whoa, everybody wants some. So that's actually quite good. I'm quite pleased with that. I like my tools. I hope you can see me. Oh. Right, let's move you slightly. Oh. So I'm just, in case you couldn't see me in the last clip, I'm extending the what do you call it? Wood chip path, because there's an actual concrete path there. But I'm not sure how much. I know I did save quite a bit. I don't want to expose the cardboard underneath this particular bit. So that'll do. We all get the drift of what I'm trying to do there, and I will, as soon as I get wood chip will be delivered soon. Right, that's brilliant. Right, I think I'll have one more coffee and then I'm going to go home. So I'm going to tidy up. So I'll see you in the shed in a bit. Oh, coffee is like food. I'm hungry. And I'm wearing jeans because I thought I was going to be streaming. So I'm a bit hot. Oh, that's better. Oh, I'm just going to sit back. Try and let some of that breeze hit me. Oh, a ladybird. So I got to read Jim and Maureen's comment. That's 3 days ago. So sorry, Jim. I'm late for the parade, and you're saying sorry for being late on the parade. Me too. I was busy learning how to tie my shoelaces up, but the boss hasn't got any patience when she's teaching me new life skills. It's good to see every visit you make an improvement. I'd be interested to see your plans for my swimming pool. As always, absolutely brilliant video. Looking forward to the next one. Definitely, well, your swimming pool, aka the pond. Oh, I've got to take my glasses off. There are plans. I mean, they're very vague.